I want to take this time to acknowledge the people that helped me in my Canada immigration journey. I don't think I have done this type of video before. For all those that think that doing your Canada immigration journey, it's not possible, I want to tell you guys that it is very, very possible, and I did it myself. And of course, by following some people and some licensed immigration consultants. This journey is not for the faint-hearted. So I want to use this video to acknowledge them. And if you guys want, you can go follow them. Some of them, I think they are on Instagram. And not that these people, I had a one-on-one talk with them, but by listening to their contents and doing my own personal research helped me in this Canada immigration journey. Some of them, when I send them a DM, they don't respond. Why some, they respond. But looking back in the hands of time, I can truly understand now why they don't respond, because it is not easy. Now that I'm creating my own content, it is not easy. They have lots of people messaging them in their DM. And if I tell you how many messages I get in my DM daily, you guys will not even believe it. But it's not possible to respond to everybody. Now I understand why some were not able to respond to my messages. However, the contents they were pushing out there made me to research more, and they helped me in this Canada immigration. So when you see content creators helping or pushing out information out there freely, the least you can say is thank you. It is not easy. Some people that are wise will take advantage of those information. Why some, they will just troll in the comment section. The information you are gathering is very, very useful if you make a deeper research. So just by following those content creators, it really helped me in my immigration journey. Number one I want to acknowledge is Mrs. O. She's on Instagram, but I think she has stopped creating immigration content. She's more like doing the Christian thing right now. But she was one of the people that I followed back then. She really helped me in my immigration journey. Though it was from her page that I also learned about studying in Canada. I later got to discover that, but the way she put it out there, I was thinking that studying in Canada, once you're done studying, you'll be able to like get permanent resident immediately, like there's a pathway. She put it out there, she was promoting some schools, but then I had to make further research and discover that studying is not just like a guarantee for you to get PR. I wanted to go through the study route, but with my research, I changed my mind because I didn't want to come and study and at the same time, and at the end of it, I'll be looking for how to transition to become a permanent resident. However, I'm acknowledging her in this video because she gave me an idea of how to start this whole process. If you listen to my story in YouTube, I told you guys that I actually got an admission in University of Saskatchewan, which I later aborted. I didn't go through with it because of this reason I stated. Then another person I want to acknowledge is Wolo. She is the one that made me to really believe that French is a game changer when it comes to this Canada immigration. She is a licensed immigration consultant too. She has a YouTube channel and she's on Instagram, but I don't know if she's here on TikTok. She's really good. Her content also made me to do more research when it comes to Canada immigration journey. I followed so many people. Then the other person is Kuber Kama. He's an Indian man, but a licensed immigration consultant too. He's good. He dishes out information as well. But the thing is, when content creators are dishing out information, it's left for you guys to make further research to know how it works. So that is why when you see content creators dishing out free information, the least you can say is thank you and not to throw. And you don't need an agent for this your Canada immigration journey. Just by listening to content, people that share Canada immigration journey, listen to them and do your own research and take the one that will favor you. You see these three people, those are the people that I followed, and from their content I was able to do research. Then another person is Olu of Canada. That guy too really helped. I forgot to mention him initially. He is also one of the people that I followed, and I was getting information about how this Canada immigration works. I was once a novice, like you people that are following me. But when you hear information, make more research. Don't just rely on the information you hear alone. You hear information, you go to Canada website. That is why Canada website is there. Make research, because there are some information you will hear. It might not really favor you. The pathway that content creator is discussing or talking about might not really favor you. For example, studying. If not for the reason I made a further research and I discovered that there is no like a straightforward pathway for a student to transition to become a permanent resident. It was out of my research. So when you hear content creators giving out information, you make your research and know what works best for you. So you mustn't use an agent. Just by listening to content creators, you are good to go. And making your own personal research, you are good to go. That was what helped me in my immigration journey. I did not use any agent. I did not use anybody. I was the one doing it on my own. How to save for proof of fund, how to do my application. And another thing is I had to join Telegram groups. Those Telegram groups really helped me as well. So when you're doing this Canada immigration journey, listen to content creators, ask questions. There are some people that will respond and there are some that will not respond. People that don't respond, don't hold it against them, because it is not easy. There are some people that I will respond to, while some I might not respond to, because the messages are much. So if a content creator does not respond to you, don't say the person is doing more than himself or more than herself. I was once like that, but now I know better. So make research. If possible, you can book one-on-one. If you can't carry out research on your own, because there are some people that they don't have the time and they feel that they can't do this all by themselves, then you book one-on-one. But you see that idea of carrying your millions of money to give agents or whoever to that we guarantee, that says he or she guarantees you, or he or she will give you a visa. You know what? Agents, not even a licensed consultant, can guarantee you Canada visa. They can only help you to process it, do it well, or submit the right documents. But these things, you can still do it by yourself, just with right research. So if you know you can't do it yourself, you can book a one-on-one with someone. You see, nothing is free. People's time are not free. Book a one-on-one session with people that you know that are knowledgeable, okay? And then you know what to do. Canada immigration is not so difficult. You can do everything yourself, just yourself, without paying too much money to people. All the best, guys.